Welcome back, friends. If you're wondering what this is, it's spicy ahi over a bed of Funakoshi rice. In this video, I will be showing you how to put together a Hawaiian-style poke birthday cake. Let's get our rice cooking. The amount really depends on what size cake you're making, and I'm going to be using an 8-inch round pan, so 2 cups of rice is more than enough. Geez, I totally forgot to hit record when I did line this 8-inch pan with some saran wrap, but that's basically all I did. And then go ahead and pack your rice in. You want to pack it pretty good because you want to make sure it holds its shape. What I did was trace around some parchment paper to the size of the pan, and then I also left a little lip out, as you can see, which is really important, and I'll explain why a little bit later. So what I did was flip it over onto a container lid, which worked really well. I'm creating the base of the cake, so I just needed to put it on something so that I can move it around when I need it, and it'll really help me out later. Now we're going to add some furikake flakes, which we're going to just carefully pat onto the side of the rice. This kind of acts like sprinkles that you would normally see on a traditional birthday cake. And for those of you who aren't familiar with poke, it's basically diced up raw fish marinated in amazing flavors, and it's commonly eaten over rice, which is exactly what you see here. I didn't make this poke, I bought it from Foodland, but I plan to make a spicy ahi video in the near future once I get my hands on some fresh ahi. You can see here how I utilize the lip of the parchment paper to pull and slide it where I need it. Now for the top tier, I am packing in 1.5 pounds of spicy ahi into a 6-inch round pan that I again forgot to press record while lining it with saran wrap. Sorry. So just make sure you have enough saran wrap so that it has excess on the sides so that you can fold it over like I am doing here. This will allow me to hold the ahi with my fingers while I turn it upside down onto the rice. You have to do this quick but carefully because the ahi is super delicate. Once you have it transferred, pull out the saran wrap from underneath, and then you can use a spatula to reinforce the edges. The nice part about this is the fish is very soft and moldable, so you can easily fix it if it's misshaped. Now you have your quote-unquote birthday cake. Something to remember is to not put anything heavy on top of the fish, as it is very soft and anything heavy will make it cave in. So I decided to slice up some avocado and add it to the top of the cake, which brought so much color and brightness to it, so it was a good addition. Plus, spicy ahi commonly has diced up avocado inside, so it's a pair that actually goes well together. In order for me to call this an actual birthday cake, I had purchased a happy birthday cake topper and I just stuck it right in on the top. The story behind this was that we had a little get together for my cousin's birthday. We had desserts, but we didn't have a physical cake. So I decided to turn in one of the dishes into a cake itself. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed because I have a lot more holiday inspired recipes and crafts that I want to share with you so that you can utilize it during this holiday season.